Nico, Miguel rebound Espinosa. Espinosa up and under, Miguel again. That's a rebound by number 12, kick off pass, turning away with number 16. Number 16, Burgan. Burgan with a crossover, Burgan kick off pass, number 12, Mama from the outside from the corner, Miguel rebound by Ligo. Ligo, high pass. There's a pass to number 12. Up and under, in and out, rebound, there's a number 7. That's a Burgan, number 16, and Burgan got the steal. And that's the higher. Number 12, Mata, lays it up in there. 19-9. 10-20 para sa team overall. This one on the wings ball. Here comes the ball by Francisco. Francisco kick out pass to Ligo. There's the pass. Zigzagging moves, number 39. There comes Burgan. Postcard pass to number 24, Mapa. Back pass to Burgan. Burgan, pull up jumpers. In and out, rebound by Nico. Nico to Espinosa. Espinosa forward pass from the under to Francisco, number 5. That's the long 2 points by Francisco. 23-9. Records number 16, Burgan. That was a foul. Ready jersey number 12. Rebound pass. Stolen away by number 12. A jump ball. Out of position para sa team. Impapanan. Rebound pass number 7. Number 12, Mapa. Fakes up and under by Mapa and again. And step out, same ball. Rebound pass stolen away by number 12. Number 12 to the ball now to number 16, Nico. Nico to Espinosa. Espinosa on the drives. He puts it up his back. Go rebound picking by number 16. Wow, colors number 5, Francisco. Happy power. Mapa to Burgan. Burgan number 16, back pass to Mapa. Mapa, tap. Negative. The rebound by Espinosa. Espinosa on the basketball to Ligo. Ligo with the ball now. Ligo down. Number 29 gets the 2 points. Raiders number 16. Number 16 to number 24 from the outside. Negative rebound taken by number 12. Number 12 lose the ball. Save the ball by number 12 and number 16, Ligo. Ligo. Foul steal by number 7. Number 7 on the basketball. Being left by number 29 and there's a whistle. Foul ball and there's number 29. 1 minute and 33 seconds. For the first 5 minutes of for the second quarter. 1 minute and 33. The score 25-9. Okay, backward violation. Rebound pass number 29, signal in the play. Number 29 on the basketball. Number 29 Esther sucked by number 16. Number 16 by Nico. There's a reason foul. Always number 16 Burgan. First personal foul Burgan. First team foul para sa team Impapanan. There's an rebound. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 29, Sigsagi play. But there's a whistle foul for the person number 9. Palermo. 50 shots. The first throw, negative, and jumpers get ready, 1 minute left. The second throw, wide of number 29. Bulgan, big husband, number 12, number Steven, number 5. Number 16, Bulgan, 45 seconds. And there's a foul ball and there's number 12. Mapa, second personal foul, Mapa, second personal foul, Mapa. 43 seconds. Number 12, big off pass, from the outside. It's a double foul. On jersey number 12, Mapa. Number 5, Francisco. Out of position. Para sa team Bumurol. 35 seconds. Third personal foul, Mapa. Espinosa Negre, high for the rebound. Arindain to Mapa. Third rebound by number 16, Nico. Reverse number 29, 18 seconds. Number 29 Singer in the play. Down to 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Change back there, change back.